Hello and welcome. Meet the Cabbrix Large Desk Calendar 2025, a perfect tool for organizing your busy life. Measuring 21 by 16.5 inches, it offers a spacious layout with ample writing blocks and stylish monthly greenery designs. This calendar covers 15 months, from now until December 2025, including holidays highlighted for easy planning. Made with eco-friendly, FSC-certified thick paper, it prevents ink bleed through and provides a clean writing space. The clear desk pad and corner protectors keep pages flat and offer a sturdy writing surface. Ideal for home, office, or classroom, this calendar blends functionality with beautiful decoration. Stay organized and inspired every day with the Cabbrix Large Desk Calendar 2025. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.